everyone, my name is Joanny Machine with MarineMax Pompano, and it is my pleasure to show you aboard the stunning Saxdor 400 GTO. What makes Saxdor incredible is that this is your own private island. Check it out. One of the most amazing things about this Saxdor 400 GTO is that it's powered by V10, twin V10 Mercury Verado 400 horsepower engines. These are one of the best engines that Mercury has put out and can take this boat to over 50 miles an hour. So on the transom of this stunning vessel, we have a nice grill summer kitchen area on the port side. On the starboard side, we have a nice bay for fender and line storage, and the interior and exterior colorway package of this boat is truly something special. It's the Florida blue exterior with the Florida blue interior colorways and the tan S10 protect. So what makes this 400 GTO your private island? Well, first off, you can see there's ample seating all throughout, so it's perfect for entertaining, having a nice spread out, a really functional galley here in the cockpit as well. And one of my favorite features, which really makes the GTO special, is these huge, ample beach platforms on either side. And truly, when you're anchored out on the sandbar, this is what makes it your private island. Feel like you're missing out on the action while underway? Well, with Saxdor's convertible seating, you can actually move this entire module to face forward, so that way now all your guests are enjoying the same view while underway. And if you want even more privacy, this 400 offers a second berth option, or if you're not going to be sleeping here, you can use it as an air-conditioned toy room. So here at the helm, you have everything right at your fingertips. You have 3 multi-function Simrad displays and an individual one for your vessel view alone. However, everything is integrated right into the screens. What's cool about this boat is that it doesn't need a generator to run your systems or your AC. It's actually powered by a Fathom system, which displays right here. It's all an inverter, and you can track your charging, how much batteries you have left before you have to turn your engines back on to charge it up. Also, you have your joystick, which makes docking a breeze, and the skyhook function, which acts as a digital anchor to hold you in place with the engines, so you could have time to set up your lines, your fenders, and everything before you come back to port. Also too, bow thruster to make things even easier. JL audio controls right here at your fingertips, and wireless charging for your cell phone. Thinking of extending your stay out on the water? Well, this Saxdor 400 has not 1, but 2 sleeping areas. Right now I'm in the forward berth, and as you can see, you have a nice ample berth forward, a small storage / kids berth aft, and then a full stand-up head with a shower as well. Come check out this bow. So one of the things that I love is how much ample space there is up here. Plenty of room to lounge or to entertain and to maybe enjoy a nice bite out on the water. Another cool thing is there's tons of speakers up here, as well as a Mediterranean shade, so that way when you're lounging you can enjoy really nice tunes as well. Windlass anchor, of course, and then you also have a full windshield on this 400 GTO, so if you're running into foul weather, you're protected. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the beautiful 400 GTO. My name is Joanny Machine with MarineMax Pompano. Please feel free to visit us at 700 South Federal Highway, Palm Beach, Florida. See you out on the water.